Hello, I'm going to be creating a Glogster video online poster for a story titled The Gold Cadillac, in which my 6th grade reading class is studying right now. I'm going to go here to the top and click on the box where it says Create New Glog. Once I do that, a page will come up that shows me several different ready-to-use online posters that have already been created. So I'm going to look under the section where it is titled Language Arts, since this is for my reading class. And I'm going to see what posters they have available. I see one here that is titled Digital Storytelling. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to wait for the poster to appear. As you can tell, there are several different items that you can add to your Glogster posters, and I'm just going to show you a few. I'm going to start with this top box where it says Digital Storytelling. If you look over to the left-hand side here, I'm going to click on this box that I've highlighted in green. That stands for the text. I can change the text that is in any of these. So I'm just going to type in the title of my story, which is The Gold Cadillac. And that gives me the title of my story. I'd like to add a picture. So I am going to, again, click on this box where it says Replace Image. I'm going to go to the top where the image box is, and I'm going to choose from some of the images that I'd already downloaded to my computer. I'm going to click on the picture here of the Gold Cadillac, and I'm going to say Add Image, and it should be, there it is. I'm going to replace it right here and click on it, and there we go. And of course you can resize it, make it bigger, make it smaller, however you would like it to fit. I would also like to show you how to add a video. Again, I'm going to click on the box where it says Replace Video, go up to the top, choose a little icon that looks like a little play arrow on a recorder. I'm going to click on that, and again, I'm going to choose from videos that I've already downloaded to some of my files. This particular video that I'm going to add is about the author of this story. Her name is Mildred Taylor, and it just includes some of the other books and gives you information about who she was and some of the other books and things that she has written. Now, my class is studying and learning about plot development. So I see a box down here at the bottom that says Resolution. So if I click on here, again, I'm going to come over to the T, click on it, and what I want to do is type in resolution, what happened as at the end of the story. I want my students to be able to relay that information to me. So that I can get that information in, I'm also going to resize my font to make it a little bit smaller. That might be a little bit too small, so I'll make it just a little bit bigger. And then here I can type in at the end of the story, the father decides to return the gold Cadillac. And, then they could, even if they wanted to take it a little bit further, they could type more text here. Here I could replace another image. Since this story was about the 1950s and during the segregation era, I'm going to choose this image that I had downloaded previously. And if I can bring it into focus, oh, there it is. Sometimes these images don't exactly pop up where you want them to, but that's okay because you can always replace them and get rid of the ones that you don't want. And again, you can resize it and make it as big or as small as you need to. So this is just a quick little tutorial on Glogster and all of the different types of things that you are able to create Happy glogging.